How to add name on Subway surfers. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add name on Subway surfers. Now let's get right into the tutorial. In order to add name on Subway surfers, go ahead and open the Subway surfers application on your device. Now here, if you tap on the settings button, then you will not see the option for changing your name anywhere. You will either get the name of the character that is playing or you will get some random names. However, the option for changing your name manually is not available anywhere. So the only way to get your name changed is you will have to connect Subway Surfers to either your game center and change Subway Surfers name to your game center name, or connect Subway Surfers to Facebook and get Facebook's name on Subway Surfers. So this is how you can add name on Subway surfers. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.